Why do some people linger in our thoughts while others fade away? The secret lies not in manipulation, but in presence, energy, and inner peace. Buddhist wisdom teaches how to cultivate a magnetic mind and heart, one that naturally draws others in. Let's explore the timeless path to unforgettable connection. The mind clings to what touches the heart, and the way to remain in someone's thoughts is not through control, but through presence, energy, and the depth of connection. A person who embodies stillness, warmth, and a deep understanding of human nature will naturally become unforgettable. Presence is the foundation of all connection. When you are with someone, truly be there. Most people listen only to respond, their minds racing ahead, formulating their next words. But when you listen with full awareness, without distraction, the other person feels seen in a way they rarely experience. This rarity is what makes you linger in their mind long after the conversation ends. People are drawn to those who give them the gift of presence because it is the most valuable and rare thing in today's world. Stillness is another form of magnetism. In a world filled with noise, the calm mind stands out. When your inner world is at peace, people gravitate toward you. There is something unexplainably attractive about someone who does not chase, who does not seek validation, but who exists in a state of quiet confidence. This stillness does not mean passivity. It means a deep-rooted awareness that does not waver. People remember those who make them feel safe, those who bring clarity in moments of confusion. Becoming that source of steadiness makes your presence unforgettable. Giving without expectation creates an invisible thread between you and others. The mistake many make is giving with the hope of something in return, whether it be attention, affection, or appreciation. But true generosity, given freely without attachment, imprints itself on the soul. People remember kindness that asks for nothing because it is pure. The mind unconsciously recalls those who gave selflessly, and this thought lingers because it carries no burden, only warmth. If you want to be thought of, leave behind the memory of kindness that expected nothing. The balance between presence and absence creates an undeniable pull. A constant presence loses its value, while too much absence breeds disconnection. The rhythm of appearing and stepping back is what allows anticipation to grow. Like music, moments of silence between notes give the melody its beauty. Being fully present when together, then stepping away to allow space, creates a natural longing. People appreciate what they feel they might lose, and the contrast between closeness and distance keeps your presence vivid in their mind. Loving kindness, or metta, is one of the most powerful forces of connection. When you radiate warmth, when your energy is centered in goodwill and compassion, people feel it even when you are not there. The mind associates safety and love with those who emanate it naturally. Instead of seeking to be remembered, cultivate the habit of sending silent wishes of happiness to others. When you think of someone with love and sincerity, the energy subtly reaches them, reinforcing an unseen bond. Those who practice metta do not need to try to be remembered. They simply are. Mirroring the truth of another person's soul is the surest way to remain in their thoughts. People are drawn to those who see them, not just their surface, but their essence. When you reflect their strength, when you acknowledge their potential, when you become a witness to their journey without judgment, you carve a place in their mind that no one else can fill. The human heart remembers those who made it feel understood. In a world where many feel invisible, the one who truly sees them becomes impossible to forget. To be remembered, do not chase, do not control. Instead, be the presence people seek, the stillness they need, the kindness they cherish, the rhythm that keeps them engaged, the warmth they unconsciously return to, and the mirror that shows them their own greatness. In doing so, you will live in their thoughts, not by force, but by the undeniable imprint of your being.